What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications, and give us a thumbs up if you like the video. I'm just going to go over the results for today, make this a short and sweet video. This is day number 25, promoting the all-in-one digital business. So for $25, you're able to get into this business. It's your own digital business. You're able to build funnels, websites, membership sites, um, so on and so on. But the best thing about this is you're able to promote it, and it's $25 a month, and you get 80% of the fee. So you're getting $20 off of everybody that you bring in recurring every single month, and then plus they also have an upsell for $100, or you're getting $100 a month. But what they got here is you can create $100,000 yearly residual income in 12 months or less, and this is the challenge that we're on right here. We're 25 days in, and we're shooting for that $100,000 yearly residual income. And I'm going to show you where we're getting our leads at to do this. So bringing in just one sale into the all-in-one 25 digital business, one sale a week, you're going to be able in 1 year to make about $75,000 of recurring income every year. Two sales a week, close to $150,000 recurring income, and three sales is 224,000 and some change every year recurring income. And that's just bringing them into this all-in-one 25 digital business. It's the best $25 I ever spent. I'm day number 25 into this case study I'm doing, and today we got another sale. So that brings us up to $140 a month recurring income in our first 25 days. And so now that we got the product, uh, we got to drive traffic to our product so our product can be seen and sold. What we're using to drive traffic is this page called My Lead Gen Secret. And what they do is they give you 100 leads to email to every single day. If you're able to bring somebody in, you get 100 bonus leads a day. So that gives you 200 leads to email to every single day. So that's 6,000 each month. So as time goes on, your list gets bigger and bigger, and you're emailing out to more people every single day. Now, what the company is doing is it's letting us get more than one account. So if you only have one account, it's gonna take a lot longer to start seeing results with this. So what we're doing is we're getting multiple accounts. Me personally, I have 8 accounts, and it's just $1 a day for each account. It's $30 a month for this lead generation. And I'm gonna show you how good the leads are that come through here. Now, most of the time when you get traffic from anywhere on the web, I've never come across good traffic. It's all been garbage. But this is the first thing I've come across of getting leads that they actually, these are cold leads, but they're cold leads for people who are looking for business opportunities. But these leads convert, and every one of my leads have come from uh, this My Lead Gen Secret. Um, if we go to the cart right here, as you can see, we did get a sale Monday, October 17th, which is today, and it looks like I'm getting one sale a week. So one sale a week using My Lead Gen Secrets, which is $30 a month, and I'm getting one sale a week. If this continues like this, just one sale a week, That's $75,000 recurring income in 1 year. And we're only 25 days into this. All right, so the clicks. Let's look at the clicks. And all of these clicks have come from my lead gen secrets. 978 clicks, 676. So we're getting eyeballs to our offer. Look at that. In a day, 275. We're getting eyeballs to our offer, and we're getting sales. So basically, whenever you're emailing your leads are going to come into your back office right here. All you do is hit select all, and when you join me, I got all the email swipes that you're going to need. That gives you the subject line, and that gives you the email. And then all you do is come to your all-in-one business, come down here, copy your link right here, and look, 16,000 is all come from my lead gen secrets. And then you're just gonna put your link in there. Simple as that. So this right here, this business is remotely for anybody, and for those who have jobs. Doing this, like the emails come to you, get them every single day. And like me, I was looking for something that I could do in my spare time, and I work 12 hours a day. I'm a forklift driver, so I needed something I could do quickly where that I could get leads, buy leads or something. And my lead gen secret, not only just for me has it been working, but it's been working for other people that's using it on ClickBank offers. But all right, guys, this is day number 25. We did get another sale, so we're 7 sales in 25 days. We're up to up to $140 recurring income. We'll see what this week brings us, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on day 26.